Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there in a sentence, tweak it just a little bit, and dramatically change the entire message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. Whenever we're trying to announce what we're doing to the world, we always want to make things look really, really good. We don't want to say, I'm a copywriter, but I really haven't written anything and I don't have any results and I can't really tell you what's going to happen after I write your stuff, but hey, you don't have to write it yourself. Or if you're a marketing company, you don't want to go out there and say, hey, all our clients pay us lots of money, but we don't really know what we provide. We made a Facebook page for them and they have work coming in, right? No, instead, and then you don't even want to do things like be vague about what you do. So you don't want, hey, we have the best rated websites on the World Wide Web today. Like, what's that even mean? No, when you talk about what you're doing and what you're providing, start to get really specific so that people can see that and say, wow, I want that too. So if you're, say, a personal injury lawyer, instead of saying, we have a great track record for winning cases with our clients, it's probably true, it's hopefully true, but instead you want to say, hey, last year we settled over $20 million in our clients' benefits because we needed justice for them. Or let's say you're a marketing company that builds websites. You can't say, we have built dozens of websites that get millions of visitors every single month. Say something along the lines of, our worst performing website attracts over 8,000 clicks a month. This way people are seeing, oh, it's just millions of clicks, so it's millions of visitors. That doesn't mean anything to me. Oh, 8,000, my website right now only gets 200. 8,000 is more than 200. Or let's say you're an accountant. Instead of, we do what's right for our client no matter what, or we find the most deductions possible. Instead, you can compare when they went to one of those online tax programs and say, when they brought their stuff over to us, we found $8,000 more in deductions than they found using the DIY software. Everybody wants that extra money, and if I'm trying to save money, a couple $100 by doing it myself, but you found me $8,000 in credits or deductions, well, that's a whole lot more than the savings I get by paying a professional. So whenever you're reaching out, whenever you're explaining your message and the benefits, make it ultra specific. And that way people are gravitating towards you, they trust you a bit more, and they understand that, okay, this is what I can expect when I hire this person. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found some inspiration and education you can take back to your business and apply it today. As usual, if you're struggling with it, if you can't quite come up with those ultra specifics, reach out by clicking the links in the description below. I would be happy to help. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.